Using the proper technique to wash your hands is vital to the health and safety of your facility. Let the pepper flakes on the plate represent bacteria and germs on your hands. If you placed your unwashed finger in the water, the bacteria will cling to your skin or stay in close proximity to you. If you dip your finger in soap, the bacteria does not cling to your skin and disperses away from you. The outcome is the same when you properly wash your hands. Per the CDC, first wet your hands with room temperature water. Apply soap. Lather over your hands, including palms, the back of your hands, between fingers, and under your nails. Scrub your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds, thoroughly washing all areas mentioned before. An easy way to count out 20 seconds is to sing happy birthday twice. Rinse your hands under room temperature water to remove all soap residue. Lastly, dry your hands with a clean towel, paper towel, or air dryer. When soap and water are not readily available, use hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Wash your hands frequently throughout the day to reduce the spread of germs. This will help keep you, your employees, and your facilities safe and healthy. State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.